1st, 2011. Pretty bad winds coming up. They've said it's been between 90 and 70 miles an hour, sustained winds. The Stevens tree broke. Half of it fell that way and the other half fell to the right. And they have trees over there. The neighbors' trees blew over and are laying on their house and on their deck over there. Over here our trees have done. Our basketball standard blew over, fell down and corralled our garbage cans, so that's pretty good. Got rid of our leaves, cleaned our yard up pretty good. Over here the neighbor's tree blew over onto the other neighbor's driveway. Kind of hard to see right there, but their pine tree fell down. That's supposed to be a driveway right there. Over here you can see Stevens in front of their house. Their tree blew over. And then this guy's garage door got ripped up pretty good. Let's go around back and check out back. Now this rain gutter didn't fare so well. And then our fence right here, that one didn't last so good either. This bush isn't looking so hot. About it. And then we've got shingles all over the place. One of our pumpkins that we found. We've been out without power since, I guess it's about 11 o'clock. We haven't had power since 7 o'clock this morning. The treehouse, playhouse is doing pretty good. This fence didn't make it so well. Shed appears to be fine. All these shingles out here. On this side, I'm sure the other side isn't so good. Well, we do have some limbs here falling down on this tree. That's pretty good though, that's a big tree. I'm surprised that hasn't fallen over yet. Right on our shed, probably. There's our doormat. Kind of blew away. Doesn't look too bad, but there's a lot of our shingles that are missing that you can't really see. Many of them here, I guess. right over, smash these other ones down too. Well, there's our neighbor's tree. It fell over here on the Howard's car. Parked there in their driveway in that big old tree.